All right, we're down here with the Mosaic Street Ministries for 4 years. Denny's been feeding the homeless down here. And what was your friend's name?
Jessie.
Jessie over there in the wheelchair. She's going to have a baby? And this is Rachel. How long have you been volunteering down here, Rachel?
It'll be a year in September.
A year in September. And you're trying to throw a baby shower?
We are. We would love to get her all the things she needs. She deserves it.
What is it you appreciate most about her?
Her spirit. She's this beautiful soul who has so much thought for the world. And I want her to see what she's capable of. And I think if we can shine our light on her, she's going to be able to shine her light for the world to see really soon.
All right. Well, you know what? We're going to share this video on Facebook. I think there's a lot of good people out there. We'll see. The universe conspires for our success, so we got that going for us.
Obviously, you guys are here. So.
Well, we're glad you're here.
Thank you so much.
All right. Well, thank you. We're going to do Spread Peace Boise. We're going to support the Mosaic Street Ministries, guys. They're within 30 days of a 4-year-old operation not being able to come out here every Sunday. What time are you guys out here?
4:30.
So come on out at 4:30 to 5 on Sundays and see what they got going on here. Play in the park. I talked to Denny, the founder. She said doesn't matter who you are, what your background is, just come on out and be ready to love people and play with them and spend time. It's not about the food. It's about showing up. As Mother Teresa said, just show up and something will happen. You learned that today, huh? She's like, oh my God, 4 blocks. All right, guys. Hey, you know what we say? We always say, don't forget to ask yourself, who can you help today? You can try. Don't forget to ask yourself, who can you help today? Namaste.